In the MyFavorito dashboard, it's very easy for you to follow all financial activities and transactions. Simply click on Payouts in the navigation toolbar. Here you can see all the financial information. You can see the earnings of the current month, the total earnings, the funds that are open, which means MyFavorito has not yet invoiced them, unpaid earnings, which are funds that have been invoiced but not yet paid, funds that are waiting for payout, which is money that has been invoiced and paid and is now waiting for payout, and finally, you can see the total amount of funds paid out. You can also see a map of all transactions and a detailed transaction log that you can filter by timeframe, sponsor, and many other criteria. To review all of your payouts, click on the Credit Notes tab at the top of the page. Here you will find a record of all of your club's credit notes.